Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Darren Tang, professional bowler on the PBA Tour, storm staffer, all the stuff. The list goes on, kind of, not really, but we have Pro VM. We're back. A challenger here today, local in Las Vegas, is going to challenge me to a one-game match with a handicap of his choice to win a storm ball of his choice. Just kidding, no storm ball of choice. He wants a lesson. You usually get the option. You get a ball of your choice, or you get a lesson from yours truly. Hey, he's gonna be the smart guy here and choose the lesson if he wins. So without further ado, we have our local bowler here, Benny. What's up, man? Thanks for coming on the channel. Appreciate you being here. So you get a handicap of your choice to help slow me down so you could potentially beat me. What's that gonna be?
Backup ball.
We're gonna throw the cutter today.
Yeah.
Do I have to throw the cutter for my spares too, or can I?
Yes.
All right, that's gonna be a tough one for me. Wait, can I throw the cutter with my thumb in the ball?
What do you think, yeah?
All right.
Okay. Jesse
just screwed you. All right, let's go. Manny's gonna go first, so let's see if we can put up a fight. Oh, it's got the worst left side rack too. That's tragic. I feel like I have to throw urethane, but I'm gonna bowl on the left. It's got pop. All right, so I did forget to mention the pattern today. We're bowling on a very long house shot. It's 7-1, I think, so it's not really a house shot. Bowltopia, what we bowled on in Korea, where the scores were astronomical. But again, those are professional bowlers doing their professional thing, averaging professional scores. The guy that led the tournament averaged 256.
Oh.
I think you need the backup ball.
I should. I'm not no good with the backup ball.
Oh, maybe now's the time.
A reason why I chose that too is because I want to see you do it so I can learn how to do it also.
Okay, deal skis. I feel like this is not the play, but I feel like guys in Korea were throwing urethane, so. Help! Messenger! Not your conventional bird dog.
That was actually gross.
That was kind of cool.
In the best way possible.
I've never had one like that before. If they're gonna give me those hits today, it might be my day. No one's winning. No free balls for anybody or free lessons. That's gotta hook a lot. So I did say they're easy, but they're easy for
this guy.
They're relatively easy. Compared to the house shot, they're probably not as easy. Compared to the patterns we bowl on normally, easier. This is what we shoot the ball videos on. Guys must not fail to recognize the talent of the players that bowl on the tour. I'm not speaking about myself, but give credit where credit's due. When guys bowl well out there, they're bowling well. There we go.
We got a spare.
All right. I'll help you out right now. The key is trying to roll it as much as you can. Stay at the back. It should open up the lane for you. No promises. I'm gonna move 2 to the right. I don't know if that's actually gonna help me. I feel like I should angle my body this way too. Oh, that hurts so bad.
Yeah.
Keep your hand up the back of it. No blood, no foul.
You're bleeding?
I might. There's a little bit. I'll be all right, I hope. It hurts a lot though. I'm just scared now. I just ripped my nail in half.
Oh.
This is why I don't throw backup balls.
Chose a good handicap.
You did. It's time for a little bit of surgery. If I don't strike every time, it might be a problem. Ow.
Oh my God.
That sounded like 0.
I dropped it.
I gave you the lead on the bench, man. Come on.
I dropped it.
It stings. It's not a good way to start.
Whoa.
Maybe?
We got a spare again. Easy spare.
That's a good spare. The last one tracked under my fingers. I think I should just throw it harder in the same spot. I didn't throw that harder at all. It's a good thing Simo's coming later. He can teach me how to throw the backup ball.
Would you ever throw backup ball on the PBA?
Well, I didn't think I'd be bowling 2-handed this soon, so anything's possible. All right, 3-pin game right now, going into the 4th frame. Oh, we started to run him out. Well, good shot.
Thank you.
Wheel!
That don't count though.
Well, I didn't see it. You can take it if you want it. How'd you start bowling? How'd you get into it?
I actually started watching your videos.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I came across you and Jesse a while ago, and that was like 3-4 years ago. And then I just started bowling like in a league like 2 years ago.
Okay.
But it was like, we're just trying to see what ball I wanted, and then like a lot of your guys' videos came up, and I was like, yo,
sweet.
Are these guys bowling here? I was like, place looks so familiar. I've been here before.
Thanks, YouTube.
Yeah. Thank you very much, YouTube.
All right, well, I don't think throwing out hard is the play. Maybe. Oh, we're getting closer.
It's getting
closer. I don't know what to do here. We don't recommend this. Wait, that rolled sick. I might throw that ball.
That was gross.
I feel like I gotta stay in character. Par for the course is your thing on the left side, right? Just gotta wheel a little bit.
Let's go.
The more you run them out, the more it makes me want to try. Okay, stop running them out. It's like that competitor's instinct to just like, oh, okay, I see. I see. I see. That was like a video game hit. Wow. You guys ever played PBA Pro Bowling?
Yes.
I used to play that, but I would throw the backup ball. It would be a right-handed character, but I would hook it from left to right, and I would throw it as fast as possible because I just wanted to see the pins fly everywhere.
That's what I try to do in real life.
And it gets a little out of control, and then you hit the pocket, and then like, okay. I'm literally me in PBA Pro Bowling. Maybe. Dialed. So they mentioned you. What do you average in league?
181.
181.
Yeah, they're only giving me 44 sticks. So.
Only.
It used to be a lot more, but we've been getting better.
We don't like handicap. Handicap no good. It's a good thing I threw that at my spare because I would have never saw how it rolled. Can we start doing backup balls and ball reviews?
Yes. You should get a backup layout too.
We have the two hands, the one hand, the left side. We got it all. Oh no! That's like when you have the speed meter or the power meter and you go way too far, and then it just doesn't let you throw a good shot. All right, well, we'll give Manny the endless 10th frame. I know we didn't talk about this, but if you've watched these videos before, you know what this is. If he strikes in the fill shot, doesn't matter if he goes 9 spare strike or strike, he gets to continue throwing shots. He gets 10 per strike at the end until he misses. So, obviously he wants to stay as close as possible in the match so he doesn't have to throw as many strikes at the end, but he will have that opportunity. That's got a curveball.
I want to try backup ball now.
Was backup ball actually a handicap? It was for a little bit. I threw the one shot that ripped my nail off, and then I had to get a little more careful. See, if you over-rotate it, it's never a good thing. You can hurt yourself, your ball roll isn't very good. Not a lot of good things for you. That needs to hook a lot.
Oh my.
His powder's got a little bit of ratio, but not that. No! We needed the 25-1, not the 7-1. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about with these numbers, head over to howtobowl.com. Link is in the description below. Join us. Let us take you on a journey so that we can help you grow and achieve success in the game of bowling. Maybe. Darren. Nice spare. All right, you got 286 off the sheet. I have 241. If that does happen, you have to punch out in the 10th frame and throw an additional 6 strikes to beat me. But there's no guarantee that I strike out. But my look is actually kind of nice.
Oh, that's good.
He's an animal. That's what EJ does, right? Woo! Score.
We're doing something right.
All right. Trying to see if Specto's online right now. We are not the Lost City. We are Gold Coast. Specto lanes are not available at this time.
Ooh.
We'll get them turned on for the Shota match. Oh, that was rolled. Very hard. So I have to throw a backup ball cutter at this. See if the math is mathing. What is considered a backup ball? If my ball is just rotating the opposite direction? So I move a little further, move a half. Like I'm shooting a 10 pin, but on the left side. Tip for you guys at home, you want your ball roll to go with the pin. So no, don't throw a backup ball like that at a 7 pin. That's why you don't want to hook it at a 10 pin. Create a little less room for yourself to pick it up. All right, if you punch out, I need 9. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, that's huge. The next one's mandatory. mandatory.
Oh.
But you can close me out right here.
It's a 10 frame.
If you throw the next 5 strikes, you're in there.
Let's go.
You basically gotta throw a 5-bagger, 6-bagger.
Do I got it in me? Do I got that dog in me? Oh my.
That's got
boy.
a wheel. Oh, and it does.
Big wheels. Big wheels. Almost wanted to hit the Michael Jackson on that. I was like, oh.
Does he do it? Does he do it? All right, strike 4, the endless temporary.
Oh.
That's a little spinny. Ow! Ow!
Boo, boo, boo.
All right, what are all the things that could happen here? 185, makes me work a little
Oh,
bit.
that's my average.
I need, so he shot his average, pretty legit. He might be better than his average because this is technically a challenge pattern. I need 8 to win, 7 to tie, anything more than 8 to winner. If I get 4 through the middle, I would have to get 4 of the 4.
I want the lesson.
4 of the 6. I feel like to build good habits, I should make a great shot here and just lock it. Screw the content. Oh God, that might get 4. I gotta hit pins here.
Oh, hey, leave it open and we can tie.
Every backup ball I've thrown with my thumb in the ball has gotten 0. There's a chance that we barely win. If I stay in the same spot and throw the same shot, I should get at least 1.
Oh.
Pretty close. That's pretty good handicap, man. Thanks for coming on the channel.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, no lesson today. Nothing comes free here. It's always earned. We'll welcome Manny back for a part 2. We'll see if he can take me on again for another round of Pro VM. Grab that lesson. I did give him a tip, so hopefully he works on that, comes back, and then I don't know if he's gonna come with the same handicap or a different one, but we'll see if he can beat me next time. And as always, thanks guys for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comment section below if you would like to challenge me and what kind of handicap you would give me. Interested to see the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Peace.